Welcome to C# for Crestron programming. In this video, we will examine using a switch case. Switch case statements are useful when a single piece of data needs to be compared against multiple options. We will be starting with a C# console app .NET framework project called switch case, and the switch case will be declared within the main method. The variable declared here is the ushort type. This type supports values from 0 to 65535 in decimal. If we were to use an if-else syntax to execute different code blocks based on certain values, this would be absolutely possible, but a switch case provides a more compact syntax to this type of evaluation. Taking advantage of IntelliSense, when the switch keyword is entered, tabbing twice fills in the default statement and format of the switch statement. Pressing down completes the default case of the switch statement with its break statement. To add our own cases, we use the keyword case and can enter the long or short for this option. The long form of the case is shown here with its open-closed curly braces and its internal break statement. Now the break statement. As the switch case evaluates top-down, if a case was found that matched the incoming variable's value, we would want to perform the code block, then stop the remaining case evaluations. Break causes the switch to stop at its current case and not look at any remaining cases. In this code, there are two cases. One looking for a value of 1 for incoming, the second looking for a value of 2 in incoming. If incoming were equal to 1, the break statement in case 1 would execute, and the switch case would not evaluate against case 2. What if you would like to have multiple cases execute the same code block? That is also supported. Case statements entered without any code or break statements below them will fall through. Either case 3, 4, or 5 will evaluate and execute code block 3. Further to this, it is not necessary to define your cases in order. Top down, if case is 2, code block 2 will execute. If case is 5, code block 3 will execute. Should the incoming value be equal to something that does not match any defined case, the default case will execute any code contained below it. Out of the box, it contains a single break statement, but we are allowed to enter our own code block here. It is not required that you switch on a numeric component. You are able to include non-numeric switch-on statements, as well as complete additional math on numeric components within the switch evaluator. You have now learned about the structure of a switch case statement, including the ability to fall through from one case to another, and the function of the default case where no case matches the incoming value. We are also aware of the flexibility of the switch statement to support multiple data types and to perform additional operations on incoming values. Thank you for watching.